Welcome to Satin Crystals. Today I'm going to show you a crystal ball size comparison so that will be easy for you to shop for your crystal balls on Satin Crystals. So here we have a range of sizes, and the first one is a red Jasper at 6 inches. This is a hefty sphere that you'll need 2 hands to hold. It's perfect for display and for crystal ball gazing. The next one is Chrysocolla at 4.5 inches. Another excellent one for 2 hands. You can do 1 hand, but it might get a little bit heavy after a while. Then we have a rose quartz at 3.5 inches. And this is getting a little bit more comfortable with 1 hand, but 2 hands, you still feel that substantial crystal size. The Lapis Lazuli is 3 inches, and you can meditate with this one for a long while. Great one for the third eye chakra. The Amethyst is 2.5 inches, also great for the upper chakras and is getting comfortable for 1 hand work. The next tier we have are the smaller ones. The Serpentine is 2.2 inches, so it's getting to be a perfect palm size. It'll fill your whole hand while you're doing work. Ametrine at 1.8 inches. Again, great for the chakras as well. And this is great for getting down to the massage and acupressure and stress ball kind of size. Ruby zoisite is 1.7 and the lepidolite 1.5 inches. So great for portability and for meditation. So here you go, all the different sizes from largest to smallest. Hope that helped you out. Thank you for watching. And as always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.